2024 Honda Civic Sport 4-cylinder. This is what it sounds like before. These new car companies, man, everything they had a rev limiter, so you can barely rev it. There we go. Here's sound decibels. Right at 90, 89.5. All right, guys, stay tuned. And I'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. So like 2020 to 2023, they had them hidden where you couldn't see the tips. But on the 24, they brought back the tip. So we're gonna put them a new tip on it too. But this is what it looks like before, guys. There's the stock muffler on it with the tip. And then there's the stock resonator. And the exhaust manifold cat is all the way up there somewhere. But here's the other view, because I know that's what you guys are used to. So we're gonna do a resonator delete. It's, by the way, it's like 1 3/4 pipe, or maybe even smaller. And we're gonna do a muffler delete and change this tip too. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it after we're done with it. Or show you. 2024 Civic Sport 4-door. I like how they made them bigger. They're a lot more roomier than the old ones, which is a good thing. They need to do that. It's all blacked out. I like it. Even the wheels are black, so it's, I guess, Nightshade edition. I don't know. Anyways, let me show you what we did. So the converter's up there on the manifold. We did a resonator delete there with 2 1/4 pipe. So it's around 1 3/4, 2 inch. So we just put 2-inch pipe in its place. And then 1 3/4 continues. And then we did a rear muffler delete there with 2 1/4. Give it a little bit more deepness and a lot nicer sound. And then we finished it off with a DC tip that's resonated right there. You see the resonation? That'll give it a little bit better tone, not a lot of raspiness in it. It just looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. You guys can see. They're gonna change the rims to stainless steel or chrome, so that tip will fit in it nice in its place, you know? There's the muffler that was on it that we cut off, and there's the resonator we cut off right there. So that's the 2 pieces we cut off and straight piped it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. At least not as raspy because of that. So you can really get high pitched. Here's sound decibels. 109. Used to be barely hit 89 before. I like how they did these. They made them a little bit bigger than the old ones.
Yeah, no.
It's more roomy.
Yeah, and the tip gens, like the older ones, they just don't sound like.
No, they didn't sound
the
good.
Exhaust just sounds.
Look at that. Let you guys hear it on the inside. These new car companies, man, everything they had a rev limiter, so you can barely rev it. There we go. Here's sound decibels. Right at 90, 89.5. All right, guys, stay tuned. That sounds good. Here's sound decibels. 88. Because it is turbo, guys, so the turbo takes a lot of the sound away. This came out really nice, though. I like that tip on it. What do you think?
Sounds good?
Good?
Yeah.
It's not too much. You know? It's perfect.
That's good. That's good.
It's not as raspy because of that. So you can really get high pitched. Here's sound decibels. 109. Used to be barely hit 89 before. Here we go. Honda Civic Sport. And we hooked up the Insta 360 on it too. Get you guys a double drive on. Hell yeah. Enjoy, guys.